text-to-speech bit, the main character has a brain.
Huh, what the hell? Where am I? And why is my voice like this? Oh wait, am I in a Roblox text-to-speech story? Oh hell no! How do I get out of this garbage place? And why is there slime behind me? Well, I don't know how to get out of this place, so I'm just gonna watch the slime. Oh well, I'm bored now. I'll just go sit at that chair over there. I've been going harder than ever. I don't have time to sit and relax. I've been putting it so comfortable. I can't, but I know that I can. If I can do it, then why can't you? Get up and make it. Hey, who are yelling? Why are you holding my hand?
Let's go.
Where are you taking me?
I'm taking you to my group chat.
Oh hell no.
Elizabeth is a 1 to 3 for added hat in my life to the GC. The hat in my life left the GC. Elizabeth is a 1 to 3 for added hat in Elizabeth the GC. The hat in Elizabeth the GC. Elizabeth is a 1 to 3 for added hat in my life to the GC. The hat in Elizabeth the GC. Elizabeth is a 1 to 3 for added hat in Elizabeth the GC. The hat in my life left the GC. Elizabeth is a 1 to 3 for added hat in Elizabeth the GC.
Stop.
No. You are a cute bacon.
What?
Yes, you are cute.
You who ate this ugly bacon.
Says the one who looks like the devil.
Yes, you go, my girl.
Lol. Bahaha.
Oh my god guys, she's being so mean to me.
Bro, clearly you are Theon who started being mean.
True.
Oh my boo-boo bear, why are you taking her side?
Lol, boo boo bear.
I'm not your boo-boo bear.
Oh wait guys, I just realized we haven't introduced ourselves.
Oh yeah, well my name is Luke.
And I'm Oliver.
I'm Angelica.
Why are you guys looking at me?
Tell your name, Brew.
No, I won't ugly become low.
Tell your name to Bacon.
Okay, if you say so.
What the heck?
Hi, my name is Virginia.
I won't say my name to strangers, lol.
Please say your name.
Yes,
Yes.
please. Please.
Okay, fine. Violet.
What an ugly name lol.
Such a cute name.
Yes.
Agreed.
Why are you so nice to her and not me?
BC, you are rude.
I know, right?
Lol.
Age reveal.
Yeah.
I mean yes.
Sus. What about you, Violet?
Oh hell no. We just met like 1 minute ago.
You probably don't wanna do age reveal or BC you 4.
Ugh, fine, I'm 19.
I'm 19 too.
I'm 17.
I'm 18.
I'm 5. I mean 15.
Girl, you are 5, just admit it.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Luke babe and Liver babe help me. This ugly bacon is bullying me again.
Girl, how?
For the last God's sake.
we are not your BF.
Hashtag rejected.
Mine. I think I'm in love with Violet. She's just so funny.
Hey Violet,
Hum?
I'm gonna give you 99,900